Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this colorful text animation on CapCut PC. So go to text, add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word colorful. Also going to change the font, but you don't have to. Select color and then select the color you want first. So for instance this pink one. Add a keyframe here and just move it to the next frame. And change the color for instance, and then move it again, change the color again here, and then you can just move that again, and then I want to change the color again to this green, then move it, and then I want to change it to this yellow color. I'm going to move it again, and I want to change it to this color, and just keep doing that until you're finished with everything basically. So this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.